So, first, ma'am, did you authorize anyone to use your information for shipping packages out of the country?
No.
Okay. Have you lost any of your valid IDs recently?
No.
Okay. And ma'am, do you have family or friends in Singapore?
No.
Okay. And ma'am, do you find into websites or shopping sites using your information?
No.
And lastly, do you think it's possible someone used your information to send this package and you're not aware?
You did. I think it's you.
You think I did?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Where do you call from? What company are you working for?
Ma'am, I am calling from our International Customs Department in Cape Town.
International Customs Department. Who? Where? What's the address?
Yes, 22 Hens, Shedrum Avenue. Yes, ma'am.
Give me the phone number of the customs so that I can call to confirm that you work there. What's your name?
Connie Magodu. C-O-N-N-Y.
Mm-hmm. Yes?
M-O-R-O-B-I.
Okay. So give me the number for the International Customs in Cape Town. 0?
Okay. Yes. 21.
Yes.
413.
Yes.
5000.
Okay. And what's the case number when I ask so that I can confirm that you're calling from there? What do I tell them? What's the case number?
Well, ma'am, once you call, they will be able to connect you to my office and then you'll get a better answer what's going on. Okay?
What information what information will they ask me to give? Besides your name?
Well, basically, there won't be any information, ma'am. That's why I called. And the reason of calling you, as I said, we are mandated to report such packages within 2 hours to the court.
So
that is why we call for preliminary investigation. So if you are saying you were not the one, and go ahead, ma'am.
Can I ask you to call me from that number you just gave me? Because right now you're calling me from a cell phone. Can you call me from the landline of the International Customs?
Okay.